Khurram Nawaz, and in this video I will show you how you can recover your SSH private key pair. In order to SSH to your AWS instance, you need the private key pair, and AWS allows you to download the private key pair only once while you are creating an instance. In order to recover the private key pair, we need to create a new instance in the same zone as the original instance. To do that, I'm going to select Web Server 01. Web Server 01 is the instance I'm trying to recover my SSH private key pair. I'm just going to go ahead and click on Actions, launch more like this. Click on Add Tag. I'm just going to go ahead and call this guy SSH_key recovery. Under configure security group, we need to create our existing security group name in order to allow SSH to the instance. I'm going to go ahead and create a new security group, and by default AWS allows you to SSH to your Linux servers. Click on Review and Launch. Click on Launch. Over here I'm going to create a new key pair. I'm going to call this guy new_key_pair. Download key pair. Save it to my desktop. Click on Launch Instance. Click on Services, EC2. Click on Instances. And here I'm going to search SSH_key. This guy's coming up. So in order to recover the key, you must shut down and detach the root volume on Web Server 01. So I'm just gonna go ahead and detach the root volume. So I'm going to go ahead and click on dev/xvda. EBS ID, that's my volume group attached to my Web Server 01 instance. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on this guy, click on Actions, detach volume. Yes, to detach. In order to detach the volume, you should shut down the server. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select Web Server 01, click on Actions, click on Stop. Yes, to stop. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and click on dev/xvda. Select the volume, click on Actions, detach volume. Yes, to detach. Alright, the state is available now. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on Actions again. Now I'm going to attach the same volume on my recovery instance as a secondary volume. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Actions, attach volume, select SSH_key recovery, and I'm going to leave the device name as it is. Click on Attach. Now I'm going to go ahead and SSH into my key recovery instance, and in order to SSH to my recovery key instance, I'm going to select SSH key recovery, click on connect. I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste it into my terminal. Yes. I have to set the permissions. Chmod 400 _keep here. Paste that command again. There we go. Sudo space -I to become the root. Alright, now I'm going to mount the volume, and to list the volumes I'm going to type lsblk. Alright, xvdf is the one we are looking for. Now I'm going to go ahead and create a mount point. mkdir /mnt /key -recovery. Now I'm going to replace the key file from the key recovery. Oh, as a matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and mount /dev/x vdf1 to mount /mnt key -recovery. So I'm going to type mount dev/x vdf1 to mnt key -recovery lsblk. Okay, so this guy is mounted now. Now I'm going to replace the key file from key recovery instance to the web server 1 server. And in order to do that, there are two ways to do it, but I'm going to use the copy one. So I'm going to type cp home /ec2-user.ssh authorized keys to /mnt key -recovery home ec2-user.ssh and yes to override. Okay, now I'm going to unmount gmount /mnt key -recovery. Enter. I'm going to go ahead and shut down the box. Init 0. I'm waiting for this guy to stop. Okay, our recovery box is stopped. I'm just gonna go ahead and detach the secondary volume from this guy. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and click on /dev/sdf. Select the EBS ID volume. Click on action, detach volume, yes to detach. And I'm going to reattach this volume to my web server 01. Refresh. The state is available now. I'm going to go ahead and click on action, attach volume back to my web server 01. And I'm just gonna go ahead and call this guy xvda. Click on attach and then click on instances. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn this start the web server 01. Click on start, yes. Okay, web server 01 is up and running now. Let's try to SSH into web server 01. Click on connect. Go ahead, copy. I'm just gonna go ahead and paste this command over here. I'm gonna go ahead and use the new key pair, which was new underscore key underscore pair. Yes, and boom, I'm logged in. Sudo space -I, who am I? Thank you very much for watching this video.